DJI has officially confirmed the launch of the Osmo Action 5 Pro on September 19th, 2024 at 9 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. While we're still waiting for all the details, leaks suggest this new action camera will come packed with serious upgrades, aiming to take on the GoPro Hero 13 Black head-on. The price? Well, it's going up a bit. The standard bundle will run you around €379, and the adventure combo is expected to hit €479. In the US, the pricing will roughly be the same. Now, let's talk about what you're getting for that extra cash. First off, audio. The Action 5 Pro packs 3 built-in mics for full 360-degree stereo sound, so you'll hear everything around you clearly. Plus, it has some pretty smart wind noise reduction. Next up, remote control just got easier. The GPS Bluetooth remote can be worn on your wrist or attached to your bike's handlebars, letting you control multiple cameras, up to 16 at once. The built-in multi-GNSS chip tracks your sports data, which you can overlay on your videos for that extra touch of detail. Ever spent ages searching through footage for the right moment? With Quick Search, you can mark key moments while recording, so finding that epic shot later is way faster. And speaking of time savers, the always-on display gives you key shooting info at a glance while conserving battery. Now for the mounting options. Super flexible. You've got the magnetic quick release, perfect for quickly switching camera positions. Plus, vertical shooting is built in, so if you're going for that social media vibe, you're covered. If you're into cycling or motorcycling, DJI has you sorted with specialized combos. The motorcycling/mountain cycling combo includes mounts for your chest and handlebars, while the road cycling combo gives you options like a bike seat rail mount and a 360 degrees wrist strap for multiple angles. Plus, you can integrate cycling or motorcycle riding data recorded from an Apple Watch, Garmin device, or other third-party fit files into your footage, displaying it in a dashboard format. Another cool feature is the Osmo Audio TM connectivity ecosystem. It connects directly to DJI Mic 2 via Bluetooth, letting you record high-quality sound without needing a separate receiver. It's a pretty seamless setup, and the built-in mic can record backup audio too, so you'll always capture the surrounding sounds. Battery life? Up to 4 hours of continuous use. Even at -20 degrees Celsius, you still get around 3.6 hours. That's a 50% improvement over the Action 4. For smooth footage, HorizonSteady stabilization keeps things level even with 360 degrees rotation, while Horizon balancing corrects tilt up to ±45 degrees. You can shoot up to 4K at 120 FPS with minimal shake, making it perfect for capturing fast-paced action. On top of that, the Touch OLED displays are brighter, reaching 1000 nits. The screens are bigger, more responsive, even in wet conditions, and super durable thanks to tempered glass with an oleophobic coating. For the content creators out there, you've got 10-bit D-Log-M for better color restoration, and with 40 megapixel photos and 4K at 120 FPS video, your footage is going to look amazing. The 32x super slow motion is just the cherry on top, letting you slow things down in extreme detail. The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is shaping up to be a beast of an action camera. From the killer stabilization to the pro-level audio and top-notch video quality, it's ready to handle whatever adventure you throw at it. Keep an eye out for its launch and get ready to capture some epic moments. Peace out.